Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of area of compound polygons. It's going to be a little bit more complicated today. I'm going to throw a different shape at you besides just rectangles, but same kind of process. So just 2 examples today again. So the first compound polygon that we're going to find the area of kind of looks like a house or a home plate of baseball, but there is not a formula to find the area of a home plate or a house. So our job is to actually split this into 2 different polygons that we know how to find the area of. So I would actually split this right here. And that gives us 1 rectangle. So area of a rectangle is length times width. But then it also gives us a second figure of a triangle. So area of a triangle equals 1/2 times the base times the height. And I got that formula right off your formula sheet, so please use it. So we're going to start with the rectangle first because obviously that's the easiest. So length and width of my rectangle. Length is 9, width is 6. So plug it in. 9 times 6. Area is 54, and this is just units squared since they don't tell us what measurement it is. Okay, so there's one of the areas we'll have to add together. Now we have to find the triangle. Okay, so right here we have a triangle. This boy right here. Okay, so 2 things you need to know of the triangle: the base and the height. If you remember, the height is if you go to the tip top and you drop a ball straight down. So I need to figure out what that measurement is. So you kind of have to use stuff on your picture to figure that out. So I know that from this tip top point all the way down here, it tells me is 10. But that's not just the height of the triangle. I just need this little chunk right here. So if you use this information over here, I know from here to here is 6. Okay? The width of that rectangle is 6. So I need to figure out 6 plus what would give me my total of 10. That means my height is 4. And then we still need to figure out the base. The base always makes a right angle with the height. So our base is going to be from here to here, this right here. And if you use your rectangle rules, if this side right here is 9, that means this side right here is also 9. So our base is 9 units. So now we can plug that in. Area equals 0.5 or 1/2 times 9 times 4. So 0.5 times 9, 4.5 times 4. So area equals 4.5 times 4, and you should get 18 units squared. Don't forget, you're not done. You have to add them together. So the total is 54 plus 18. So you should get 72 square units as your area of your compound polygon. Okay, one more example just like that. Ooh, this one is an arrow. So same thing, we want to cut it. So I would cut right here to get, I'll keep my colors consistent, 1 rectangle, which we know the formula is area equals length times width, and 2, another triangle. So area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. So let's do the rectangle first. So length of the rectangle is 10. Width is 15. So area equals 10 times 15. Area is 150 square centimeters. Now on to the harder one, the triangle. So I need to figure out the base and the height. So they were nice and they actually gave us the height already, which is 12. Love when they just give us information. But the base is a little different. So the base goes from here all the way to here. It's this whole piece right here. So I have pieces of information that I kind of need to put together to figure out the whole base. So I know this chunk right here is 4. And this chunk right here is also 4. I need to figure out this chunk right here, which if you use your rectangle rules, if this is 10, this also has to be 10 centimeters. So I need to add up all of those to figure out the base of the triangle. So 4 plus 10 is 14, plus another 4 is 18. Now that I know my base and my height, I can plug it into the formula. Area equals 1/2 times 18 times 12. So area equals 1/2 of 18 is 9. And then 9 times 12 is 108 square centimeters. Okay, don't forget to add up your areas. So the total is 150 plus 108. So you should get 258 square centimeters. Okay, I would go back and copy those down just so you have something to reference when you're practicing on your own. So 2 more in a Google Doc, 3 on a formative, and then you are done for the day. And then I have some more compound polygons for you tomorrow. Let me know if you have any questions. Other than that,